Greetings one and all. Always remember this, together we rise, divided we fall. Me say welcome, I hope all is well. Knowledge and wisdom I give away free, none na sell. Welcome to Lion Foot Channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell. Please and thanks, do give thanks.
Poor People Production presents WWP, a hit single from Rust American Natural Onyx. Worldwide peace. Get it on all digital networks, iTunes and all other platforms. Stream it today. Contact Poor People Production 1-876-808-6301. Mavado.
North to the south to the east, Europe and the Middle East. Take the violence out the streets, I'm begging you please.
Blessed and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers. Speak up on yourself. I hope all is well. And then I do give thanks for another day. As usual, I hope this video find you in the best of health and the family them. And I mean, big up all of the new subscribers them. Mystic Messenger, me see you brother. Do give thanks King for the following, I don't know. Yeah man, big up all of the new subscribers them. Support is highly appreciated. Now my people, I was asked to give my point of view on this topic. I don't know. Big up Vybz Kartel, the boss. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I was asked to give my views on it, you know. Big up to Vivian who reached out and White Shadow, yeah. Well, basically, you know, Likkle Addi is gonna become a daddy soon, and yeah, age 15 and the girl is what, 18? Well, a young love, you know, and even though we are say boy, I'm saying they're too young, but it is what it is, you know. Nobody is perfect, and the real life right now, as we see time and time, you know, change, and the generation nowadays is different, and it has been happening from a long time, from we are youth too. Enough young mothers, young dad who are not ready, who can support financially. See, so we see Vybz Kartel make a post and say, yo, gonna become a granddad and him daughter and him son, and the Gaza family is extended. So you can see Vybz Kartel still accept the girl as his daughter because she young. She could have been his daughter. They're still young, you know. And a lot of people are giving mixed feelings. Well, who feels it knows? My daughter got pregnant at the age of 18, and when I found out, I was really kind of hurt and upset because 2018, and I'm spending up a whole heap of money, graduation and, you know, exam and all of them things, the CXCs and them things, you see me? And when I found out, I was really distraught, I was hurt. But now, 2 years now, my granddaughter just turned 2, we got my nice granddaughter. Yeah, I'm a lover, star, but that's how it go. At first, I got to be disappointed and hurt, and I say, boy, let her down and this and that. Some people are going to be ignorant and say, lower them. Well, them could have waited. My view, them could have waited because they're still young. You know, Likkle Addi have a whole heap of life ahead of him, but as I say, it is what it is. You know, you should have practiced safe sex, but you know, Jamaican pretty different. And especially in the garrison them. You know, I can see that really that happen in the rich communities like the Narbrook and them places there, you get me? Yeah, so in the garrison now the youth them get pressurized and muster, oh you're not fuck, you're not this, you're not that, you're not breeding a youth, you're not. You see where them do it bling dog. You see me? 40 than Kartel even sing about that too. 40 than I get a youth yet, you see me? Yeah, the work me depending on my people, you don't know, big up on yourself. I'm going to cut it short now and then come back again. See? Yeah, because I don't even get the thing them live and natural, you know. See? Yeah, vlog on the go. Yeah, blessed love and greetings on my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. I don't know. Yes, now my people, so back to the argument. Me I say, you know, Likkle Addi and him mother, baby mother to be, you know, it's a young relationship, and they could have waited, you know what I mean, but I said it go a life, you know what I mean, and we see a lot of people coming having mixed comments, you get me, and for me, them could have waited, you see me, but it is what it is, and I don't know, the Vybz Kartel family, them, the Palmer family, them are financially stable. Big up Vybz Kartel, you see me? Big up Shorty, because we know Shorty got there as a mother, proud mother and a grandmother. And she got stood by her son and also the baby mother, you see? I just hope Likkle Addi play him father role and be prepared because it's not gonna be easy. Even though financially them alright, it's not gonna be easy, and you know, we wish them all the best. That's my take on it, you know. Big up my daughter again because she got pregnant when she was 18. I found out by someone, you know, one of my co-workers, the school where I was working, and made it really upset, you know. But time goes on, 2 years now I'm over it, and I love my granddaughter. But for the young mothers, them, I hope this don't influence other young females, 18 and younger, to go and feel like it's right to have a child at that age. No, it's not. There's a big future ahead, you know. Finish the schooling and try have a career, because you see how Jamaica get hard and thing, rough. You know what I mean? And leaving school, I don't have a qualification to find a job. It's not, it's a wicked, you see me? And enough of the girls you must get led astray because you have bigger, older men who have bribed them with money, sex them off, breed them up. You know what I mean? And them future just get ruined. And that is more likely to happen in the garrison, you know? As me say, in Meadowbrook, you know, Cherry Guard and them place there. Nah, Brook, you don't really see them things that go on with, you know, because the child is properly counseled and guided by the parents. But in the garrison now, it's more quicker to happen. You know what I mean? A young girl getting pregnant or a young youth to become a father when he's not really ready yet. You know what I mean? And you see them struggle. And then look, a young youth now coming out the world and face the struggling and all of them things. And it's not a good look, but my point on it still, it happened already, and the mother and father support. You know what I mean? Kartel, as I can see Kartel proud. He must big up him son and him daughter. And you know, I respect that comment there because him still look up to her as his daughter. It could have been his daughter. Seeing? So, yeah. Big up my people. No, next thing now, we see Kartel put up a poke. I pick with him 2 sons again, Likkle Addi and Likkle Vybz. Big them up. You know what I mean? And we got the Palmer family. Well, Kartel as a boy, he can swear upon him son, swear upon him life. He never wish bad for nobody picking yet, and him see a picture go around. Obviously, you know, Mavado son, a picture has been going around, him Mavado son in prison. And the mixed comment again, they say him not look good, him look shabby, him look like him lose it, you know, all sort of stuff. So Kartel say, yo, if you never get locked up, shut the F up, you see me? And it can, I think like a Mavado them attack, or it can be the people who may comment and say, no, what prison life is, you know, what jail life is. If you've never been inside before, shut the hell up, see? And I don't know, Mavado and Kartel has been at it, and IG showing shades at each other, you know what I mean? And you know, we don't wish bad for nobody at all, now them family. You know what I mean? Big up Mavado. I know Mavado is a good daddy, even though circumstances, you know, and situation, which led for Mavado's son to end up in that predicament. You know what I mean? And you know Mavado and them are really not going to turn him back on him youth them, you see me? It's just that he had to left to take care of business and deals and all of those stuff, as he said, which was the reason why he couldn't return to Jamaica, because he was taking care of some business deals and so forth. So yeah, you know what I mean? So I don't think Mavado turning back on him son, you know, or him youth, you see me? Big up the Gully God, big up him son, you know what I mean? Dante. One hold it out, and we're just sorry that you end up in that situation. And sometimes you're around people, you know, people not advise, you know, they move the brother influence you for go and do wrong more than encourage you to do the right thing, you see me? So again, we just hope for the best. Please never make for dog. I mean, I love to see the man come on the road. You know what I mean? And just try to change them life, because everybody deserves a chance in life. You know what I mean? And I just stop my viewers and subscribers. Pick up on yourself again, let me know what you think. Peace and love and respect. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. Said, I'm out. A Lionfoot.
Big up Lionfoot. Subscribe to the channel now. Represented from Afghanistan families. Yo, peace out.